folks, I'm back again. I'll answer everything, and I got a couple packages. I got a package here for you that I got in, and this is I believe this is going to be the 4K action. What did I say here? Camera. It's almost like a GoPro. I don't think it is. It looks like a GoPro, but I don't think it is really. Anyway, this is what it looks like here. Okay. My poodle down here is bugging me. I got some packages. He thinks all packages is his. Where you at, doggy? You think all packages are yours, don't you? Don't you? Don't you? Don't you? His name's Barkley. Okay. Let me get back to business here. And it says here that this action camera features Ultra HD 1080p video recording. With it, you can capture fantastic 720 480p with high resolution and smooth frames. It's perfect for outdoor sports like climbing, cycling, driving, and gliding, skiing, diving, snorkeling, surfing, etc. The attached camera mount allows you to mount the camera to the helmet or bike handlebars for convenience video recording and a photo shoot. Just record and capture every wonderful moment and scenery of your life. Well, we'll see how it works later. I'll do an after review on it. The features a built-in Wi-Fi sports cam, action cam, compatible with iOS and Android. The sports camera allows you to control camera via the phone in real time with professional 1080p 30 frames per minute feature. You can take incredible photos and Ultra HD video. Let me put a tablet over here. Its waterproof casing allows you to film fantastic water sports. It's water resistant and so on. I ain't gonna read all this. It supports 32 gigabytes of memory. And the thing about it, it's forgot what I was going to say now. Anyway, let me go ahead and open this up. Usually I recorded the puppy unpacking it for me, but I might want to keep this package in case I might have to send it back. I'll let you keep the other one, okay? Hold on. Let me turn this camera down a little bit more here. I'm gonna save that package off. Pretty darn small, that's for sure. I never had a GoPro or anything like that, so I don't know how big they are. Nothing else in the box. Let's see. I know the GoPro you usually have a camera on the front, screen on the front and back. This has only got a screen on the back. It's already in a waterproof case. Let's see what this camera back a bit more. I don't know how to open this up. Anyway, let's see what else we got here. Okay, this is some kind of a frame mount here. Open this up here. Okay. like screws on something there. We'll put that aside there. This thing here, I better take it out of the bag. And just here. Put that right there. Got charging cable. Hey, how about that? It has a remote control, looks like. This is like the bicycle mounts. I'm not going to take it out of the bag. I'll be packing everything back up. And this is another type of mount. I got to figure out where that goes. Oh, finally got to instructions. This is a wristband for that remote control. That way you have it on your wrist. Here's a, look like a flat mount for it. And see here. Where did I do my glasses? I don't know where I, oh yeah, there you are. Now, it doesn't charge this up yet because I just took it out of the package. So, inserting micro SD card. No, please choose branded micro SD card and format it on the computer. I thought it came with one. Let's see. Let's see what the description says. The package includes the sports camera, remote control, the 900 milliamp battery, amp hour battery, waterproof case, bicycle stand, fixed mount, helmet mount, clip, base, switch support, nylon wrist strap, and USB cable only for charging. See. Pretty neat waterproof case though, that's for sure. If I only can figure out how to open her up. Here. Anyway, I got it because it has Wi-Fi on it. Nothing else in here. Oh, I see an arrow right here. Or something. Yeah, okay. Slide the arrow over. See, it has a little arrow button that unlocks the waterproof case. Then you take the camera out. Little video thing. And of course, Suarez says card came with it. I guess not. I guess that was another one I was reading. The card came with it. But I got this one because it has Wi-Fi. And so I'm going to have to get me a card. Let's see something here. Hope I can buy a backup battery if I need to. Battery cover lock. Battery cover, okay. I'll tell you how to. Let me see something here. So you can also use it for dash cam also. Press on battery cap to open it. Oh, press on it. You know, this thing only cost me, what it cost me? I didn't take that picture there. Let me go to, I bought it off eBay. Now, everything I've been showing you, I pay with my own money because I'm not monetized yet, so everything is not being advertised for any certain company. That. Yeah, I paid $36 for it. The name brand will, if you get the name brand, it costs anywhere from $500 to $600. You may get some about $4 something, depending on how much accessories you get with it. But anyway, I'm gonna charge this up, and then I'll finish this this video here. So I'll be back. Hey folks, I'm back. Anyway, charge up the battery. I didn't charge it long enough really, but it's about half powered, and it's not really fancy. You know, didn't pay much for it, but screen is not that great. I can tell you that. And it does. The Wi-Fi does work. And I done a screenshot of it. Let's see here. I was recording using Wi-Fi from my phone. So it does work. And the remote control works too. I tested that out. But it told me I don't have an SD card in it because I got to pick me another SD card up. And what else? I can buy more batteries from eBay. Found that out. I can buy a charger for it too. I can get, what is it here? And the battery they got on eBay is actually stronger than the one that came with this camera here. The camera battery is 900 milliamp an hour. Well, the one they're selling on eBay is what was it? It's 1400 amp an hour. So they're bigger batteries. They'll fit it and have more longer run time on it too. And it's nothing fancy, you know. It's cheap until I can find something better. So I think it'll do for the purpose. So I guess that's all I can review on this one for right now. After I get an SD card, you know, I can give you an update on it. So if you like, give me a thumbs up. Comment if you want. Tell me good or bad. Oh yeah, one other thing too. Batteries, it's not easy to get out. I had to use a screwdriver. And I had to pick here and then pull out on it. Then the door flew right off. So, yeah, something to play around with anyway. It's a cheap model. Well, See you next time. Later.